Luciano Packaging Technologies Incorporated, integrating high-technology packaging systems.
This is the Luciano Packaging Technologies Automatic Card Shuffling Machine, or more briefly, the ACS unit. It is an automatic, computer-integrated unit that is capable of being used with any table card game with up to 6 decks of cards. In the format you are presently looking at, the prototype ACS unit is set up as an integral part of a standard blackjack or 21 table. However, this particular ACS unit is capable for use with other card games. We will be happy to discuss the additional capabilities to suit your individual casino requirements at a later date. Jeff, our design engineer, who is not a professional dealer, is demonstrating the ease of use and speed of dealing that can be attained by using the ACS unit. This demonstration shows how easily and quickly even an average person can deal from the ACS unit. At present, Jeff is dealing 1 full deck of cards at a time at a speed that an experienced dealer could attain of 120 cards per minute or 2 cards per second. It is possible, however, with the ACS unit to deal more than 1 full deck of cards at a time, depending upon requirements and the game to be played. Once a particular game is concluded, the cards are simply stacked and placed into a bin on Jeff's right and returned for reshuffling to the ACS unit. The cards can be reshuffled simultaneously while the dealer is dealing. In actual operation, the normal chip tray would be placed on the table between the dealing shoe and the return card bin. The section shown here are examples of the ACS units completely removed from the tables. The center component in the unit is the black circular drum in the center. This is the card filing system. It contains 312 separate individually identified slots, 6 decks. Each card in each deck is given an individual dedicated address in the drum. To the right, there is a barcode reading scanner at the entrance to the ACS unit where the cards are fed in, and a second barcode scanner at the exit of the unit where the cards are dealt from the shoe. Utilizing these barcodes and scanners, it is possible to track every card's whereabouts, whether in or out of the ACS unit. You see here a close-up of the drum with the in-feed and out-feed system. This is built into a table for ease of operation and ease of service. The circular drum units shown here are driven by a stepping motor, which is a digital device that is responsive to computer control, hence enabling the ability for program motion patterns, i.e. response to a random number generator. The ACS units are designed to be lightweight and to fit into a standard 21 table as shown here. Other gaming tables can also be adapted for this unit. The ACS unit is designed for a correct ergonomics interface with the dealer that includes the angle of approach for the dealing shoe and the angle mounting in the table for knee room. As you can see here, we have shown the chip tray, which I had mentioned before, which would normally be located right between the dealer and right above the table. Here we have a close-up view of the actual cards used in the automatic card shuffling unit. As you can see, these cards are printed on both edges with a barcode. This barcode identifies each card individually, and as we mentioned before, as the cards are inserted into the ACS unit, they are read and placed into the ACS unit's memory. There is also a second barcode scanner at the dealing shoe. Again, the cards are read and the actual cards placed in the ACS unit memory. Until all cards are reloaded and reshuffled in the ACS unit, a new game cannot begin unless the machine has verified that all the cards are there and they are in fact the right cards. Depending upon the game requirements, it is possible to modify these controls to suit the particular game application. Although these cards have the look and feel of regular playing cards, they are in fact a special plastic laminate card that has been developed to offer the possibility of use for many days without the need for replacement. These specially designed cards also allow the ACS unit to operate at peak efficiency. Downtime for shuffling and introduction of new card decks will be virtually eliminated through the use of these new cards, since the plastic cards have extreme long life. Finally, as we take a last look at the automatic card shuffling machine, I would just like to recap the main features of the Luciano Packaging Technologies ACS equipment. The ACS unit is an automatic computer integrated unit that is capable of being used with any table card game, with up to 6 decks of cards. The ACS unit is designed to be installed in a standard play table, which allows the dealer to simulate the normal dealing action from the shoe. Although the ACS shuffling unit is normally hidden from view, it is also possible to place a plexiglass front on the table, allowing players to see the unit in operation. On the specially designed barcode plastic cards, it is possible for the computer to verify every card that enters into or is dealt from the ACS unit. The computer will always know where each card is on the table or at its address in the ACS file. With an experienced dealer, it is possible to deal and return cards to the ACS unit at a rate of 120 cards per minute or 2 cards per second. The verification system in the ACS unit means that cards can always be accounted for by the computer, and card counting in this case is completely eliminated. It is also possible, however, in the ACS unit to simultaneously shuffle and deal cards. Although the ACS unit can be used as a standalone machine, it is designed specifically for progressive gaming applications and contains many built-in security features for this purpose. Because of the ACS computer compatibility, it can be operated through any random number generator type of control. Hence, any playing odds value can be reliably input into the unit. In this respect, it is exactly comparable to an ordinary slot machine in its ability to allow for preset odds level. Should any further information on the ACS unit be required, or should you wish to discuss a specific application for your casino or see a further demonstration of this unit, please do not hesitate to contact our offices in Somerville, New Jersey. We can be reached at area code 908-722-3222. Thank you for giving Luciano Packaging Technologies the opportunity to demonstrate to you our automatic card shuffling machine, and we look forward to working with you and your casino in the future.